Let's make Acid Trance. First, let's set the tempo to somewhat like 150 BPM and start with a 99 kick from a sample pack. Then some claps. Some open hi-hats. Some shakers. Some close hi-hats. Some rolling percussion following the close hi-hats. Some percussion loops. Some crashes. And after 16 bars at the second half of the drop, let's reverse the crash like this. And add some rides. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a sample pack Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. These samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Now we need a deep 16-note bass like this. Let's sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Then an offbeat bass with some highs. Let's sidechain this and turn down some of the lows. Then let's add some pads to add a bit more atmosphere to the track. I'll just sidechain this. Then we're going to use an acid as our main sound to create a fast moving melody. I'll sidechain this using shaper box and dip the lows. I'll also use another acid to make a rhythm under the main acid. Now let's add some really simple plucks. I'll just take down lows from this. Then we need some Arps. Let's sidechain this and turn down the lows. Moving on to the second half of the drop, let's add a solid. I'll sidechain this. Take off the lows. Saturate the high end. And add some reverb. Then we need some suspense pads. Let's just sidechain this. Guys, if you want these Serum presets, check out the link in the description. The Serum pack has more than 100 sounds which are perfect for any type of techno. It's high quality and super affordable. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick, the pads, and our second acid. After 8 bars, let's add some of the open hi-hats, the closed hi-hats, the offbeat bass, and the plucks. At the next 8 bars, let's add the shakers and the percussion loop, and the suspense pads. Moving on to the build-up, let's add our main acid. And at the last 8 bars of the build-up, let's add a snare roll, some rises, and some downlifters. Now to thin out the buildup, let's create a high pass automation on the master channel like this. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. I'll also add these vocal loops throughout the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.